All right, folks, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna see if we can get this cable rig either tipped back out of the way or taken off. And I have my favorite helper here, Bulldozer Bree.
Hey guys!
She came out to help us. So we're gonna try and just remove this bar on the back here and see if this rig will tip back far enough that we can get at the engine. So that's the plan, and let's get to it. Okay?
Yep.
Let's make sure that...
Was that recording?
Yeah. Yeah, so what I want you to do, I'm going to lift up on that with the tractor on the other end. You watch this. So you see how there's a gap under here? You want to tell me as soon as that gap is right here also. So we got this pin freed up here. We're going to try and get it out. I don't know how messed up this cotter is going to be though. All right, do you want to go get in the tractor?
Sure.
It's good.
Gosh, I didn't know I'd need some ear protection. Is this why you can't hear me all the time?
Yeah.
It's because you're making yourself deaf?
Lift up and yell at me if like this gets this. Right?
Stop! It hit the thing on the thing. I guess it's okay.
Come in. Alright, so that worked. We lifted up on it and it tipped back, and then I chained it down.
And then you scared me because I thought I was getting flush.
Yeah. Scaredy cat. Bulldozer Bree over here. We got it chained, and I think this gives us enough room. Heck, we could almost use that winch to lift the engine. That would be churros. Alright. What do you say?
Well, Tommy's gonna be okay.
It'll be okay as long as I don't run out of money. Well, folks, that'll be it for this video. It'll be a short one. I was thinking maybe I'd have to remove that whole big cable rig, but this will work. So, short video. Oh, I didn't notice that. It's hitting the tracks. We can pull it back that way a little bit, though, if I ever need to roll it. So I think in our next video, we'll probably be removing or prepping to remove the engine. Got to take off a lot of panels and drain the coolant and all that now that this cable rig's out of the way. So stay tuned for more action.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.